Today is the 7th day of lecture and we will discuss about difference in present and continuous, and another things we will do practice. As you know very well that continuous means ing. ing is compulsory in continuous, and the verb is progress at the time of speaking. When use continuous form, ing is compulsory. You take two sentences. He goes to market. He goes to market. And another sentence, going he is going to market. Two sentences are given to you and you have to differentiate in this sentence. He is going to market, that means that is the action is progress at that time, and this goes a word, the first sentence is given here, the action is in general activity. So continuous is given. Any action that has permanent activity should never be used in continuous form. The word is given to you, look and see. Two words are given. In Hindi, both possess the same meaning, but you can't use generally. In generally, you can't use ing with see. Looking can be used as a verb form, seeing can't be used. Same thing, listen and hear. You can say I am listening the music. You can't say I am hearing the music. This is a listening, is you are attentive, you are doing any work at the time of speaking. So ing can be used in this one. You know one word, that is know. K-N-O-W, know. So when you form a sentence as a verb, you never use knowing. As a adjective, as a another form, you can use know in ing form, but as a adjective, knowing the result. Here know is used as a another form of verb. As a verb, I am knowing this not correct. I have been known Raju for 10 years. I have been known Raju for 10 years. You can't use I have been, here is given, been word is given, so been word is used, and after been you use in continuous form. I have been playing cricket for, but in this sentence here ing can't be used, so you can't use been here. You can, I have known Raju for 10 years. So you know very well because know is permanent activity and continuous is doesn't present permanent activity. So there are many such type of verb where you can't use ing in general way. In another form you can use ing. I have already give you another say that taste, TAS, taste is Rasgulla's taste sweet. This is the natural activity of Rasgulla. You can't use Rasgullas are tasting sweet. ing can be used because this is the permanent activity of Rasgulla. So you can use this one without ing. That is another verb. A smell is also given. Look. A smell is also given. Another word, agree, suppose, or many words are given. These are the words want, like, dislike, remember, doubt, think, desire, and there are many words that generally can be used in continuous form. So I think you understand very well that where you have to use ing form or without ing. Now I am going to give you an error. Now write it and do it. First error A. In A you write in ancient Egypt, dogs was First sentence is, in ancient Egypt, dogs was, next be, considered sacred. Images of dog. The full stop is given. Next, images of dogs. And now C number. Dating from Bronze Age. Dating from Bronze Age has, next D, being, B-E-I-N-G, being found on walls. Throughout Europe, Middle East, or North America. Europe, Middle East, or North America. You will write this error and you will do in your copy. We will discuss answer of this one on next lecture. Thanks. Have a nice day.